lawyer.
Hey, no, you finish. I'm your boss.
That's debatable.
Well, can I get a ride with you?
Whatever direction you're going in, I won't be going in that direction.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
All right. Good morning, Mr. King. Could you have a seat?
That's better.
Hi. I got your lawyer, Mr. Knopfinger, to join us. So thank you to him. He was here on another matter and I corralled him to come in here. This is file number 241134 SM, People versus Reggie Lee King. Mr. King, you were charged with assault and battery last May for an incident that occurred at the Spartan Motel, and the complaining witness was Lori Wilkers. Lori Wilkes. All right. You spent 8 days in jail, and then you posted a bond, and then you got out. Then you failed to appear again, and you posted another bond. So you spent 18 days in jail so far, and then I think you got arrested yesterday. How did you come to get arrested yesterday?
I have no clue.
Did they come and stop you at the motel or what?
No, I don't live there no more.
Where did you get arrested?
No more. I got arrested at my brother's house.
At Dewey's house?
My brother, I'm staying over there. And it was, my brother's in the hospital. His girlfriend, April, she works every day. She's a caregiver. She helps take care of people. And it was just me, Virginia, and the three kids. I was in the living room.
What town was that in?
What?
What town was that in? Oh.
Rivers.
That's Dewey's house?
Yeah. And fucking, they're all,
what's your language? All right, well, Mr. King, what I represented to your lawyer.
Hey, no, you finish. I'm your boss.
Oh, well, all right, well, that's debatable. You drop an F-bomb again, and I'm going to leave you in jail for a while. All right, what do you want to tell me?
And they went to the front back bedroom. All of them did, well, go to the front bedroom, okay. That's what Virginia told Brooklyn, the front bedroom. Okay, they're back there talking. I'm sitting out in the living room with the two boys. And then here comes Brooklyn, two back to the bedroom. I'm like, okay, what the hell is going on?
And that's when you got arrested yesterday?
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, they come outside the bedroom, well, we're gonna go to the store. Okay, so I'm sitting here waiting. They said they're going to the store. I go outside from upstairs. I know I heard them out there talking. And then all of a sudden I got caught on my door. Well, we got places to do. I didn't say shit. Besides, are you okay? Because Virginia was sitting on the couch. And Brooklyn came up, sat next to her, started crying, holding her, bawling her eyes out, crying. She gets up, goes to the chair. I'm like, Brooklyn, you okay? Virginia,
right, well, let me cut right to the chase. I don't need to know this part, but you've been in jail for a total of 19 days, 8 days, 10 days, and one more. So I represented to your lawyer, Mr. Knopfinger, that if you would plead guilty to assault and battery and knocking that girl down or pushing her down, that I would give you 19 days jail credit, 19 days, and take your fine out of your bond. Now, assault and battery is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500.
No, but see, there's cameras on that too. Just like there was with the other one. With the one that hit me in the head with the baseball bat.
All right, well, this doesn't have anything to do with a baseball bat. She contended you got in an argument with her and you pushed her and pulled her hair back in May. May 11th. What?
It's not according to what the camera said.
All right, well, okay, so my representation to you and your lawyer is here. If you plead guilty to an assault and battery on Lori Wilkes, I will give you 19 days jail credit, 19 days, and use the bond to pay your fine.
So, Judge, that means that the case would just be over today?
Correct.
And then would Mr. King get out of jail today and he wouldn't owe any fines and costs? You'd take it out of his bond?
Correct.
Does that make sense, Reggie?
Hey, can you point me to my attorney?
Yeah, he's here. Can you hear him?
I can hear him. I want to look at him, if that's okay.
All right. Can we open the breakout room so Luke can talk privately with Mr. King?
I can go, Judge, I have my laptop. I can go wherever. I'll find it.
Because if I can...
All right, well, hold still.
Let me do that.
Because if I can do this, and if I'm not going to get charged for it, because there's cameras that states I did not do it.
All right, hold still.
But if I can get out of this easily, if you're willing to do this for me, Middleton,
Yes, sir.
then I guess if it's okay with him, I'll take it.
All right, we'll let you talk to your lawyer here about it.
Because if I get out of jail right now, and no fines, no cost, I have money. No,
All right,
I'm
well,
not-
hold up till Luke logs in here.
Okay. I thought it was an exit button. He said it was an exit button. I said this. Hey, Milton. Sorry.
All right, well, have a seat, Mr. King. Mr. King, have a seat.
Got it.
All right, we're back in the matter of People versus Reggie Lee King. File number is 241114SM. You have an opportunity to speak privately with his client in a breakout room. Mr. Knopfinger, did we resolve the case?
Yes, Judge. Spoken to Mr. King. Also, he's apologetic for the language he had used earlier. He's just a little frustrated. He will enter a plea to assault and battery. The factual basis, Judge, will be in one in which he did approach her and she was under the immediate apprehension of a battery and kind of reacted.
All right. Mr. King, other than what I told you about what I proposed to do for the sentence, did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No.
Or threaten you to try to get you to plead?
No.
You understand that if you do plead to this charge, you'll be giving up your right to have a trial in front of a judge or jury. If you had a trial, you'd have the right to be represented by an attorney. And as I indicated, Mr. Knopfinger made a special effort to be here with us this morning.
Yeah,
If you had a trial, you'd have a right to take the witness stand and testify on your own behalf, but you don't have to because you have a right not to testify. And if you did not wish to testify, the judge or jury could not hold your silence against you. And you have the right to be presumed innocent unless the state was able to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Did you get into some sort of disagreement with this Lori Wilkes back on May 11th?
I got in a disagreement with her and I got up in her face, but she dropped to the ground and she must have thought I hit her.
That's sufficient. All right, now, have you got a way to get back to Three Rivers?
I don't think so.
All right, well, then you walk up here to the courthouse and the bailiffs will make sure you get a bus pass, okay?
Well, can I get a ride with you?
No, I won't be, whatever direction you're going in, I won't be going in that direction.
That sounds fun. Me and you hanging out in the car.
Yeah, that sounds like great fun. Maybe ride the back of my truck.
Hey, come on.
All right.
Hey, we can stop getting pre-roll.
All right.
Come on,
All right,
man.
you're pushing the envelope here, Mr. King. I'm gonna give you 19 days jail credit, 19 days, a $125 crime victims' rights fee and state minimum fee, and a $75 attorney fee. That adds up to $200 from the bond is $200. Now, you've also got you got a bunch of other unpaid stuff. I'm gonna wipe out another one. 23643 FY, felony disturbing, that was reduced to disturbing or attempted R&O or something. I'm going to wipe that out. There's others, but I'm just going to deal with that one. All right, Mr. King, you should be able to get out. Hopefully you get lunch. If you need a bus pass, stop at the courthouse. The bailiffs can give you one. All right.
Can I go with you?
No, he's not going your direction either.
Whatever
Whatever it is, we're not going that way. All right. Good luck, Mr. King.
Thanks, Judge. Thanks.
Thank you, Luke, for your help and going the extra mile there. Jordan's headed not in that direction either, so I won't.
Actually not.
19 days is probably sufficient for what that was. So I'm happy to bring a resolution to it. Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.